Being good is not loud. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't look for applause, and most times, it goes unnoticed. In a world that celebrates noise, success, and speed, being good can feel invisible. But make no mistake, it is powerful. Being good is choosing kindness when no one is watching. It's choosing patience when anger would be easier. It's doing the right thing even when it costs you comfort, pride, or recognition. Being good is not weakness. It takes strength to stay gentle in a hard world. Every day gives us a choice. We can harden ourselves to survive, or we can remain soft enough to care. Being good means refusing to let pain turn you into someone you don't recognize. There will be moments when being good feels unrewarded, when honesty costs you opportunities, when kindness is misunderstood, when integrity feels lonely. And in those moments, you may wonder if it's even worth it. It is, because goodness shapes the soul quietly, steadily, deeply. You may not see the impact immediately, but someone remembers the way you spoke to them. Someone carries the hope you gave them. Someone is still standing because you treated them with dignity. Being good does not mean being perfect. It means trying. It means apologizing when you fall short. It means learning, growing, and choosing better each time. The world does not need more people trying to be impressive. It needs more people willing to be decent. Goodness builds trust. Goodness heals wounds you cannot see. Goodness creates ripples that travel farther than we will ever know. And one day, when life strips away titles, achievements, and possessions, what will remain is not how much you had, but how you treated people when you had the chance. So be good, not for applause, not for reward, but because goodness is a legacy that never fades. Long pause in a world that often forgets compassion. Choosing to be good is an act of quiet courage.